Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create an animated Twitter post on Lottie files. So let's get started. First, as you can see, we're on our home page. When you open the app, it directly takes you to your home page, so you don't have to click anywhere or select anything. Defaultly, you're here. The first section we have is create with animated templates and create animated posts. So as you can see in our second section, the fourth option we have is Twitter post. First is TikTok, Instagram story, Instagram post, and the fourth is Twitter post. So we're going to go ahead and click on Twitter post. As you can see, the options here we have our canvas, animations, text, background, and full screen. And we do have also some additional animations below. If you click on canvas, you're going to see all the canvases that are available for a TikTok video, Instagram story, Instagram post, Twitter post, Facebook, LinkedIn, blank with one ratio and blank with another ratio. So we've already selected our canvas when we clicked on Twitter post. The next thing we want to do here before we start editing is setting a background. So for us to do that, we're going to click on the background icon or the fourth icon. Here we have three options. You can set a solid color for your background. You can open your camera and take a photo or a video in real time, or you can upload a photo from your photo and video gallery. In this example, we're going to set a solid color for the background. So here, as you can see, down here, if you move, you're going to change the background color to whatever color you like. If you move here, you can change it to every shade of the color that you would like to apply. For example, let's set it to light blue. Let's set the background to light blue. So when we're done picking the color for our background, we're gonna just click outside of this background color box and it's gonna take us here. The next thing we want to do is we want to add an animation. So we're gonna click the second option that we have that says animations. As you can see here, we have emoji animations. So let's pick one of these. For example, let's say this one. As you can see now, the emoji appeared on our screen after we've selected it. By clicking on the emoji and by sliding this circle down and up, we maximize or minimize the emoji. So you're gonna set the emoji to what size is working for you. So let's set it, for example, to this size. After we do that, the other options we have for editing the animation is speed, loop, grouped colors, and color palette. So let's start with the speed of the animation going. So now it's set to default 1. You can increase the speed to 2 just by clicking on it, or even faster to 4. So 4 is our fastest option. You don't have like additional menu to increase or decrease. You just increase and decrease the speed just by clicking on it. So there's nothing higher than 4. So when you click on 4 again, it takes you to the lowest speed that's available for this animation. That's 0.2. If you click again, it takes you to 0.5, and again, it takes you to 1 or the default speed that we started with. So let's set it to 2. Let it be a little faster. Here we have an option loop. So if this was a video, you can visually see that the video will continue to move, but the emoji will stop if you click on loop and select no loop. So the post will go on, and after the animation is finished, it will stop and it won't animate till the end. So we don't want that in this example. So we're going to click on no loop and it's set to loop again. The other option we have is color palette. So let's go ahead and click on there. As you can see, you have different color palettes. Even if you scroll a bit down, you're gonna see a lot of different color palettes. So let's find one that's like in blue, that's gonna be adjustable. Okay, to our background. When you're done picking a color palette, you're gonna click apply to save in the changes. To move this animation, you need to click on it with your finger and move it around. But your finger still has to be on the screen. So you move it around with your finger, you place it where you want it to be placed, and that's it. This is not the only available animations you have to add to your post. You can add other animations as well, like for example, these animations down here. If you don't like none of these animations that are down here, you can always click on the plus box and you can see all of the free animations. For example, let's select the second one and let's add it. Even if you don't like some of these free animations that are here, you can always search in the search box some animation that's going to be relatable, suggestible, and adjustable for you. So we picked the second one. Let's click on add animation. And as you can see, now this animation has appeared. So you can also maximize it with your fingers and minimize it, but you can also do that in this sidebar when you click on it. So like we said, pull down to minimize, pull up to maximize. You can also adjust the speed, whether it's a loop or not. You can adjust the color palette, etc. And you can also delete it if it's not suitable for you after you've posted it to your post. So for example, I don't like it. I click on delete in the bottom right corner and it's gone from the post. That was just an example. Now you see that that animation is down here with all the other suggested animations. It wasn't down here before, but now it is because we've picked it. So we're gonna tap on it again. Again, it appears on our home screen. You can also maximize it. Again, by the sidebar, you can zoom in, zoom out, and with your fingers, you can center it wherever you like. For example, you want to post an animation like this, just the unicorn floating around. Again, you can increase the speed, for example, for it to go faster. You can save it just by tapping on the screen, and you can view it in full screen how it looks like just by clicking on this last option that we have here. And when you're done with all of your editing and you're satisfied with how it looks like, you're gonna go ahead and click on share. When you click on share, the options you have here are share to Twitter, save to device, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, and others. So we don't want it to share it directly to Twitter. We're gonna save it to our device. So we're gonna go ahead and click on save to device. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!